Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to start a brand new series with vue.js. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to develop an app, a template. We are going to convert it into a vue.js app, a complete working dynamic app. We will take it to next step with the database later on, but initially we are going to convert an HTML template into a vue.js complete working app. So I'm right now in the free-css.com and free templates. These are some free templates we have, and about like we can use them commercially, I don't know, we need to confirm about that. But presently what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this template and going to convert into vue.js app, because presently this is just an HTML and CSS. So once it is going to be a Vue app, we will deploy it as well. So it will look the similar outcome you will see once we deploy it. Everything will be working the same way. So from the next video, we are going to install the Vue.js in our local environment and going to get started. So join the series and have a nice day, and do subscribe our channel. Thanks.